Assalamu Alaikum and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to learn about what is Ghunnah and what are the principle to read the name of Allah. Like when we have to read the name of Allah boldly and when we have to read it simple. So first start with Ghunnah. Carrying the full sound in nose is called Ghunnah. When we do Ghunnah, when there are two letters, name Noon Mushaddad and Meem Mushaddad. What is a Noon Mushaddad? A Noon Mushaddad is when Noon has tashteed or shad and Meem has a tashteed or shad. So we call it Mushaddad. Noon Mushaddad and Meem Mushaddad. Any letter having jazm on it, any letter having tashteed on it is called a Mushaddad letter. For example, if ta has a tashdid, so we will call it ta mushaddad. If jim has a tashdid, so we will call it jim mushaddad. I hope you understand this one. So when we are doing gunna, we know that when any letter having tashdid on it, so we will join it with the previous letter. So when we are joining it, so first in the first attempt we will do gunna. Like Hamza is joining with noon, so we will do gunna first. So we will read it like Hamza, noon, fatha, an. Then we will read it according to its sign. Noon, fatha, na, anna. Till the time you don't feel the sound in your nose, you have to do gunna. There is no specific time period that you have to do like 1 second, 2 second, 3 second. But when you feel the sound in nose, so it means that you have to do gunna here. So anna, inna, unna. Same with me. Amma, imma, umma. Now that was with only the fatha. So when there is a standing fatha, as I told you, first wow will join with noon. We will do gunna. Then we will read in the second attempt. We will read it with its own sign, like one. Now there is a standing fatha, so we will read it na one na shi poti one na shi to ti. Same here. One na zi ti. I hope you understand what is unna. Same here. I this one first we will do unna in there. Pa lam. Now we will read it with alif madda. Alif madda is when there is fatha before alif. So ma fa lam ma. Now what are the principle to read the name of Allah? The principle of reciting the word Allah, if there is a fatha or if there is a dhamma before the word Allah, so then we will recite the lam of Allah boldly. If there is a fatha or dhamma, so we will recite the lam of Allah boldly. And when there is a kasra, we will read it simple or normal or thin, whatever you can say. For example, there is fatha before the name of Allah, so we will read it like Allahumma. We are doing gunna, as I told you, on Meem Mushaddad, we will do gunna. This one, Nasrullahi, we are reading it bold because there is Dhamma before the name of Allah. In this case, there is Lam with Kasra, so we will read it simple. Lillahi. Same here. Bismillahi, because there is Kasra before the name of Allah. There is Fatha, so we will read it like Allahu. Only the name of Allah is recited boldly. The letter Lam is not bolded with any sign. Okay? Simply means if the Lam is except the name of Allah, so we won't read it bold. We will read it simple. But when it is in the name of Allah and Fatha is before it, so we will read it boldly. I hope you got the point. And as always, I say, if you want to learn the Holy Quran with us, you can you can see our contact number on the screen. So you can contact directly with us. We have male, female qualified tutors. Also, we have the family packages, 24/7 service. So whatever you want, you can learn with us. So till the next time, see you soon, inshallah. Take care. Bye bye.